Hey everybody, it's me. I just got back from yesterday from the golf tournament, family golf tournament. I had fun. It was lots of fun. It was funny too because my cousin Maya and Ryan had been taking a few in, and Maya was in the passenger seat of the golf cart and Ryan was driving, and they had just gone to Disneyland, and so Maya's like da 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 da. Okay, Ryan was going da 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 da, and it went like that, and then Maya's like whoa, and then Ryan jumped out after her, and the golf cart went phew and took off without nobody driving it. But now my hair's all crazy. But yeah, it was funny. So yeah, I got this new wig. I'm having fun with it. It's long. Reminds me of when I had my long. That's how long it is. Too sexy for my hair. Yesterday was funny because Mother's Day. Because the kids all wanted Daniel, my cousin, because he had this rock band thing and they were like totally rocking out to rock band, and my baby cousin Kai was playing the guitar and stuff. He's like, yeah. It's funny, we got it on video, but the video is going to Japan. My uncle Shinji from Japan is visiting, so, and my cousin Kimmy from Orleans is visiting. So yeah, that's pretty much it for now. I guess I will talk to everybody later. Bye.